Hello. Thank you all for joining. Very excited to have you here. We will keep things brief, don't worry. We are going to start off with a statement from Santa first, though. All right, so we've got, yes, mommies, daddies, children of the world. As I prepare for my much-anticipated trip around the globe, I'd like to make a formal request. All I want for Christmas is pancakes. Again, he has written here, pancakes. And then he continues on with, I know you all mean well when you place your snickerdoodles or gingersnaps or home-baked confectionery delights on a plate by the fire. He then goes to talk about reindeer for a really long time. Deep-seated issues. Okay, here we go. But there are only so many cookies one man can eat. He ends with, it's time for a change. In addition to Santa's note, we are very excited here at the North Pole to announce a timely partnership with Denny's, making it easier for families to give the big man what he wants. Anyone who places an order on Christmas Eve on Denny's.com and uses code SANTA, that's S-A-N-T-A, again, S-A-N-T-A, will receive a free 2-stack of fluffy buttermilk pancakes that they can then pass off to old Kris Kringle. Again, we're very excited about this partnership. We encourage everybody to take part in it. We think that'll just add to the overall joy and merriment of the holiday season. So thank you all for coming out. We really appreciate it. Yes, my man over here says we do have some time for questions, so that's very, very exciting. I love questions, especially good ones.
Over here.
Yes, you with the raised hand and the silly hat. What you got?